How to fix Facebook Lite messages not showing. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem. So the first thing you're going to have to do is see if you're able to find messages on Facebook Lite. But if you are unable to do so, then in that case, what you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your settings app. Now, once you are on settings, just scroll down until you find your app settings. Then go ahead and search for Facebook Lite by scrolling down. And once you find it, tap on the application and then go to storage. Tap on clear cache. Then you could also try to clear data, but you have to note that all of your login informations and everything will be cleared as well. Go back, head over to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed, so tap on each and every one of them and then tap on allow, like so. And once you've done that, just go back again. And finally, head over to battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Then go back and then try to force stop the app. It will restrict all of the background activity. And finally, go to your Play Store and see if there is an update available on Facebook Lite. Search for Lite. And if you see an option that says update instead of open, just update the app to its latest version. After that, just give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.